Hello, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade DIY mask.
I have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 eggs. You can use 1 egg, but I prefer to use 2 eggs just in case it's not enough. Some Greek style yogurt, honey, and I've got some spoons, a spoon and a fork with me here mixing.
So I break 2 eggs here, and I already had 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the mixture. Then I add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of honey as well. So these are my main ingredients. I just mix them all together. And the mixture is going to be a little runny, but you just have to work with it to get it all over your hair. And I'm going to show you how I add it to my hair in the next clips. Here is my concoction, and I'm going to start applying that to my hair. The smell is not great, but it's really good for your hair and anything for healthy hair. So the egg mixture with the yogurt and the olive oil are really good for your hair. They leave your hair feeling strong and shiny and well moisturized, and those are the characteristics that you want in your hair for faster hair growth. So if you do this treatment, let's say every 2 weeks or even every month, or at least just a hair mask, whether it's DIY or something that you buy from the store, you'll definitely see results with your hair health. And good hair health in turn means good hair growth. So I do highly recommend doing a hair mask, and in this case, a DIY hair mask. So I've just finished adding this to my hair, and because my hair is low porosity, I'm gonna leave it in longer than usual. So usually you could leave this in for about 15 to 30 minutes, but I'm gonna leave mine for an hour just to make sure everything properly penetrates my hair strands. So I'm back. I've just let this sit in for an hour, and I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'm gonna use regular shampoo to wash it.
guys, I just want to show you how my hair came out in the end. And ever since I started taking care of my natural hair and doing protein treatments and deep conditioning treatments, my hair has become soft and defined. My curls are like popping. I'm sorry that you can't really see it well in the camera, but try this egg protein treatment / conditioner and see if it works for you. It definitely works for my hair and leaves it feeling so much softer and moisturized. So I definitely recommend the egg treatment. It's easy, cheap, and you can do it at home. So what better than to have that option? If you like this video, please comment below. I want to know if there's anybody who's watching, even one person. Just comment the word like underneath my video. I would really appreciate it if you did. Bye.